Hi, this is Michael, and today I'm going to be showing you two new liquid level indicators. Even though they look just like the one in the last video that Chandra covered, Chandra's only vibrated, and these beep. And even though they both beep, this one has 3 line indicators, and this one only has 2. So Chandra and I did some testing. We found this has 1 tone with the 2 lines. That's why they're the same height. And this one has these 2 are about the same height as the other one. They will make 1 beep, and then it makes a different beep tone when it hits this higher level one. And again, low vision and blind users typically have other methods they would use besides these. But what these are for is when they have company, or if they're pouring a hot liquid like coffee or tea that they don't want to stick their finger in, then they would use this. So now we will demo each one. So we're going to start with the orange 2-prong Say When. And we're going to pour slowly till it starts vibrating. Till it starts beeping. So as you can hear, that is a loud fire alarm type sounding thing. And one little bit of negative feedback Chandra and I found is just putting the battery in. Just like all of them, there's no tactile way to tell if you have it the right way. And we ended up cracking this case a little bit just putting the battery in. But that is super loud. And will definitely stop you from overpouring. So now we will try the 3-prong one. I'm going to pour slowly because it will make 1 tone at the longer prongs, and the tone will change when we hit this shorter prong. So it chirps at the long prong. And the chirping got a lot faster when we got deeper to that shorter prong. And this one we did not manage to crack. So that's really all there was to those, was just showing you that even though they all look alike, you really got to pay attention to those features when buying, because even though Chandra's looks exactly like the Say When, hers only vibrates and doesn't make noise, this one beeps. And this one has the 3rd prong because it has 2 kinds of beeping. So you gotta really pay attention when buying. These are not very expensive. You can get them on Maxi-Aids very cheaply. I don't know. Like $10, $15, depending on what features are included. Like and subscribe down below, and I will include a link somewhere on screen to the previous video that Chandra did. Hope this helps.